Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making blueberry lemonade, a perfect drink for the summer. For our ingredients today, we have a cup of blueberries, a half a cup of sugar. You juice anywhere from 4 to 5 lemons. Peel anywhere from 2 to 3 lemons is optional. 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. To make the sugar syrup, add half of the lemon peels. Add your blueberries, your sugar, and your water into a saucepan. And heat until the sugar has dissolved and the blueberries start to pop, about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to remove from the heat and let it sit for a few minutes to cool down. Using a strainer or a cheesecloth, you want to strain out the blueberries and the lemon peel for the simple syrup. Add the blueberry simple syrup to a large pitcher and add 4 cups of water. Then chill your blueberry lemonade in the refrigerator. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eats.